Aditi and I'm presenting another amazing dance tutorial, that is Kanha Soja Zara. Yes, that is on your request. So I thought that I'm here at my hometown Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh. So let's shoot here without wasting much time. So this is a school Kids Z. This is a hall where I'm going to shoot. And I'm not a teacher who's going to teach you on any subject like Maths, English. I'm your Aditi teaching you amazing dance. So let's quickly start. So guys, song starts with a very sweet voice of flute, and that's a hint that we need to start dancing. So let me tell you that I've made this dance semi-classical. So it's not pure classical where you need to think a lot and technically you have to be really classical dancer. So even if you're not a classical dancer, you can try this song. So here I am teaching you first step. After this flute, there are 4 beats, okay? Even I would say there are no beats, however there is a sound which you can divide in 4 beats, okay? So first look at my hands, then my feet positions. Right now your hands are like this. So any which way you can do, either to left or to the right side. So here what I did in final performance, my hands are like this, my elbow is up. So this is left hand and this is Pataka Mudra, where your thumb is touching to your little finger, okay? So this is Pataka. Now you are looking at your left limb up, so your chin is up and your elbow is also up, okay? Look and try to look really graceful. Your eyes should speak and it should be like this. So if I'm going to show you, it's going to be like this, okay? Your eyes must speak, okay? So it's here. Now you're moving 4 times. No, 3 times. So it's 1, 2, 3. This step you can try while sitting, this step you can try while standing. So how I did, look at my feet now. So I'm sitting in this position, my left is little, so I'm sitting right here, but I'm bending, okay? And right leg is just like this. You don't have to think a lot, you just sit, however you bend towards your left. And your hands are like this. So 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So your upper body is moving like this along with your shoulders, okay? And you're looking there. So 1, 2, 3. On 4th, you have to get up. So 1, 2, 3. On 4th, get up gracefully like this. And after that, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more beats or sound. As soon as you get up, you go 1, 2. Now you have to go cross leg. So it's cross, cross, cross 4 times. So any which way, either from left or right, as per your comfort. But make sure when your left is forward, your left leg is forward, your right hand is here. When your right leg is forward, your left hand is forward. So look at once again, it's 1, the same position, 1, 2, 3, and on 4th, you have to take 1 simple turn, which is very easy. This, you just profile, hands are like this. So 1, 2, 3. So on 1, your right hand and leg comes forward and take turn. Very easy turn. So after taking this turn, now lyrics part come, where she sings More Bansi Bajaiya. So let me quickly show you all these steps. So More Bansi Bajaiya. Now Nandlala Kanhaiya. Nandlala Kanhaiya. That's it. So let me teach you. So More Bansi, More. On More, your both the hands going outwards. You turn to your right, More, and your foot. Now focus on my foot. It's pointed. Okay? So, More, Bansi. On Bansi, it's simple. Your both the hands come to your left and your right hand is touching to your cheek. So, More, Bansi. On Bajaiya, you take turn to your back. So, both the hands and leg comes back together. Now Bajaiya, when she extends her voice, is Bajaiya. So hands are opening like a flower, okay? So Bajaiya. Now So she sings performance. Some girls are going to right, some girls are going to left, I am going to forward. So how did we do that? After this, like this, and Nandilala Kanhaiya. Now, Nandilala. So you have to take turn to your front. Here, Nandilala. So it's dipping. Okay? I taught you in previous tutorial, I remember. So, and your hands are like this. So, Nandilala. Now you are in front on Nandilala. Now Kanhaiya. Kanhaiya. Simple hai. Right pointed, right hand is down, left is up, and you're looking to your left side, and your left leg is bent. So Kanhaiya. So you just switching your weight from left to right, right to left. Okay. So Kanhaiya. It's down here, and when you're switching your weight to your right, it's alternate. Your left hand is down and your right hand is up. So our last position is this. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to sit and we need to cover 4 more beats after that. So 1, 2. ये यहाँ तक हो गया. After that 4 beats. Now we're gonna sit. So after this, your left comes here and you're gonna sit with the help of your right knee. So let me show you how you're gonna sit. So after this, sit on your right knee. Your left leg is held up. So it's 1. So it's 1 beat. 1. You don't have to do anything. It's just you need to keep your hands here on your thigh, and here 1 हो गया. Second beat में you need to switch from your right knee to your left knee. How are you going to do that? Like this. It's very simple. So what I did, I just switched my knees. That's it. So this is second beat, and my hands are at the back of my head. So this is second beat. Now third beat, touching the floor. Both the hands touching the floor, and your head is down. This is third. Fourth, clap. Clap, and fifth, up. So fourth में clap किया, fifth में जैसे कुछ चीज उछालते हैं. So your right is like this, and you give a jerk to your neck, and your left hand is touching your elbow. So this is fifth. So after this, lyric parts again come. So here, मुरे बंसी बजेगा. Now ये हमें बैठे-बैठे ही करना है. After giving this jerk, मोरे बंसी बजेगा. मोरे बंसी में जैसे we are showing something. See, इतना करना है, and you have to little slide from your left knee. इतना. That's it. Okay. So this मोरे बंसी बजेगा. बजे inwards हाथ जाएंगे. मोरे बंसी right comes in and right comes out. That's it. So in and out. मोरे बंसी बजेगा, or you can touch your right hand can touch your forehead. बजेगा. नंदलाल. नंदलाला में जैसे बोट चलाते हैं वैसा एक मूव देना है. नंदलाला, your fingers touching your chin, and your left hand is touching again your elbow. So Nandilala on Kanhaiya you have to get up. Nandilala, Kanhaiya. So right leg goes at the back of your, left leg goes at the back of your right. Nandilala, Kanhaiya. Kanhaiya वाली हमें ये position बनानी है क्योंकि ये हम शायद बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं. That is the best position that suits on Kanha. Okay, Kanhaiya. Now again, मुरे बंसी बजैया, नंदलाला कन्हैया. मोरे. कुछ नहीं है. After this, more. So right comes at the back of your left. So we were like this, we just switched. We were like this, we just switched. मोरे बंसी बजैया. एक टर्न है. चाहो तो ऐसे भी ले सकते हो, चाहो तो ऐसे भी ले सकते हो. कुछ नहीं है. Right hand is up and right leg we are using. The same hand, same leg. मोरे बंसी बजैया. Now your profile. Nandilala Kanhaiya. Join your hands through your fingers. Nandilala Kanhaiya. Let me quickly recap for you after this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. मोरे बंसी बजैया. Nandilala Kanhaiya. मोरे बंसी बजैया. Nandilala Kanhaiya. So how are you going? You taking forward steps, 2 steps. So Nandilala Kanhaiya. So moving hands like this. So it's a circle basically. and you profile. It's 1 and 2. That's it. So Nadilala Kanhaiya. Now different lyrics. Mohe mohe, mohe mohe. So basically हम कथक में या किसी भी क्लासिकल डांस में हमारे पैरों का बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस होता है. हाथों का भी होता है, बट पैरों का बहुत ज़्यादा होता है because we wear घुंघरूस, right? So look at my feet now. Mohe mohe. So here shifting your weight to your left and looking to your left, shifting weight to your right and you're looking your right ever little up. So mohe mohe. Now hands. Now both the hands, this position. Now they're touching. So you're basically touching the wrist of both the hands or joining them. So it's right hands forward and left is just following your right. That's it. So this. 1, 2. On what lyrics? Mohe mohe aise nahi. Or nahi again profile and your right is taking half circle and your left is on your waist and nahi पे ये यहाँ तक आ जाएगा. Once again mohe mohe aise nahi छेड़ो. It's छेड़ो मतलब totally मना कर दिया. छेड़ो cross and it has to be really strong and with a jerk. छेड़ो. Now see only feet. मोहे मोहे ऐसे नहीं, एक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, नहीं छेड़ो सांवरे. सांवरे में हाफ जस्ट इट्स लाइक फुल, जैसे कि यू शोइंग समथिंग अगेन. सांवरे एंड योर राइट इज पॉइंटेड. सांवरे. So let me quickly recap for you that as well. After this, मोहे मोहे, मोहे मोहे ऐसे नहीं छेड़ो सांवरे. So this is the last position, right? Knee is bent, left is pointed and showing something to the world. That सांवरे सुनो सुनो मोसे नहीं खेलो दावरे. After this, सुनो सुनो. Now you can divide in a group. You can divide. Some girls are going to right, some left, and some forward, and some back. It's all up to you. Let me show you all the ways that we did. Okay? So if you want to go to your right, what you can do after this? Suno, suno. So see, after this you took turn and turn, half turn. It means half turn में wait or pause and then again another turn. So सांवरे उल्टा घूमे और फिर again उल्टा घूम गए. बस इतना था. और सुनो सुनो ये है. So when you did this, right is touching at the back of your ear and left is here, and after this suno and again you took turn. So first look at my feet. I'm here, back. Now right comes here so that I can take turn to forward. Okay, and this is this. You can switch your hands, right, left. Okay, if you're going this side, same thing. Turn to your back, so left is forward and then right is forward. And here, right is touching your ear, and now the left hand is touching your ear. This is left side, now forward. When you're going forward, you can just cross. Same step that we did at the beginning of the song. So, suno, suno. Crossing leg, right hand is here, left leg is forward. And left is touching your ear. So suno and suno. So this is vice versa. Okay? Suno suno. Moh se nahi khelo davre. Suno suno. So 1, 2. It's suno suno. Suno suno. Moh se. So dance big. Right hand moving towards right and come back. Left hand moving towards left and come back. They are moving together and they are coming back together here in Kathak Mudra. So suno suno, मोह से नहीं खेलो दावरे. नहीं खेलो में पीछे जाना है. नहीं खेलो रोली पोली inside both the hands and padaka and you're turning back. So मोह से नहीं खेलो. Only one step back. Okay? Turn one step back. दाव रे. Let me show you in forward situation. So let's see. It's this, आगे, पीछे, and tuck. This is tuck, a jerk and a simple stunt position. So once again, मों से नहीं खेलो दाव रे. If you want to go forward, if you want to go back, it's all up to you. If you don't want to go anywhere, it's just you want to do the same step at your place, you can also do that. So what you can do, tuck, 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 dav, re. On re, I want to see this jerk with re. After this position, now she sings, जाके यशोदा से कह दूंगी रे. So, जाके, clap करनी है, and again right is pointed, left knee is bent. So ja mein clap, it's little up, ja ke is down, looking at your left feet, pointed feet. Ja ke Yashoda se. Now on Yashoda, your left comes forward, your right from here comes here, just nearby, close by your cheek. Okay? Ja ke Yashoda. So crossing your foot. Crossing your feet and you're just crossing your hands, okay? जाके यशोदा से कह दूंगी. So ये तो हम करते हैं, क्या भी होगा कभी. It's just moving like snake. Join your hands and move like snake only once. कह दूंगी रे. On रे you have to do रे. इसे बोलते ना, बोल दे. It's just like that. You have to give that expression and your neck moves like this. रे. Okay, now once again I'm going to recap for you all the lyrics. So I'm going to recap for you from the beginning till here which I taught. So you will sit here now. Mure bansi bajaiya, nandlala kanhaiya. Mure bansi bajaiya, nandlala kanhaiya. Mohe mohe aise nahi chhedo saamne. Suno suno मों से नहीं खेलो ना रे. जाके यशोदा से कह दूंगी रे. So this is your last position. Now main lyrics, the main lyrics of the song come. Kanha so ja zara. So here now look at my feet and belly. Kanha so ja zara, kanha so ja zara. This is your feet, okay? Here you have to move your belly with the help of your feet. So kanha, so ja zara, slight tap. So kanha, so ja zara, kanha, so ja zara, kanha, so ja zara, kanha, so ja zara. So I would suggest if you are dancing in a group, you can make a line, a diagonal line or straight line. So here when you are making a line, everyone coming in that line while doing this step. Kanha so ja zara, kanha so ja zara, kanha so ja zara, kanha so ja zara. Done? Now look chupke tak yu na mohe. So here, so ja zara, look chipke, only thrice. Showing your palm and here this hand is like this. So look chipke, look chipke or look chipke. तक यूना, तक में एक टर्न लेना है. तक यूना मोहे. Simple. Look chipke. Tak. Left is here in Kathak Mudra, and your right wrist is taking turn upside. Tak yuna mohe. Now again, kanha so ja zara, kanha so ja zara. And on kanha so ja zara, after this, kanha so ja zara. Now, let me teach you this step. Cross, 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 cross. These are the steps that you need to do. Okay? And hence, when the right goes at the back of your left leg, your right hand is up, it's simple L position. You can make this mudra or you can just simple make this or this. Any which way, however your hands should look beautiful. Okay? So kanha mein cross from your chest and L, cross from your chest and L to your left, right. So left, right, left, right, and you need to take a jump. Okay, how are you going to take jump? Kanha soja zara, kanha soja zara. So this is 4 times total. Kanha soja zara, kanha soja zara. Now, nano se yu chuna mohe. So after this, nano se. Now, just let me show you. Nano se yu chuna mohe. ये मैंने पहले भी किया स्टेप. It is very popular step in Bollywood, even in Kathak. So after this, nano se. So first, let me show you feet. Nano se na chuna mohe. Again, ne right pointed, left knee is bent. Ne no se na chuna mohe. It's very easy. Okay. So one turn to your right and another turn to your left. So ne. Right hand goes inside here and left is elbow up. So ne, no. On no, right hand is going up, left it is still here. Ne, no, se, na. On na, both the hands come here in this mudra. Now chu, same thing, left leg is pointed, left hand going inside. Chu, na, me, left hand is going up. Chu, na, mohe. Simple. Ne, no, se, na, chu, na, mohe. So, hands goes in, coming back like a snake, goes in, coming back like snake. So, ne, no, se, na, chu, na, mohe. Kanha soja zara, kanha soja zara, kanha soja zara, kanha soja zara, kanha soja zara. So guys, that was the choreography on Kanha Soja Zara. Very simple, very beautiful, very short and crisp. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave the comments and just do